What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Justin back here again with another Surviving the Ark video. Today is going to be a housing showcase. As you can see, we built this new house. It's pretty dope. Yeah, this is my new chemistry bench. My first chemistry bench in Ark. Absolutely 110% worth it. I know it's an expensive thing to get, but it is so worth it. Yeah, it's just like, we've probably been 2 days in on this house, honestly. It's probably one of our favorite houses so far. Like, it's pretty awesome. Uh, my tribe mate Brian, he is currently building a bridge over there, which will be a separate video of how massive it is. Yeah, here goes my farming setup. Don't judge on the water. Honestly, that was at like 4 a.m. of about 8 hours of playing. And I was pretty tired when I did that. And once I noticed that it wasn't right, I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to keep going with it. It doesn't really matter. But yeah. Uh, all these plants are here are strictly for kibble. I haven't been using kibble in the past, and like, we're finally established on this server enough where we can start using kibble. And we're off to the next house. But yeah, we started on this base. Sorry, I'm really hungry actually. But yeah, we started on this base about, I would say 2 to 3 days ago. And it's coming out pretty well, I have to say. And yeah, this one, the house we're on our way to next, was my tribe mate Brian. He was, I guess, bored and wanting to build, and what came out of it was pretty dope. Oh god, I hate jellyfish. About 45 minutes ago, I got tore up by those jellyfish, so yeah, I pretty much hate jellyfish in this game. But yeah, this house here, right close to the red ob where all the Quetzals spawn. Oh, there's a Carno. And I guess where Carnos are. But yeah, look at this monstrosity of a house, man. This house is dope. Oh god. What is it? Oh, really? Pegomastax? I'll take my metal arrow back. Oh, come on. Drop it. Really? Really? God, that looks weird in my hand. Are you gotta be kidding me. Really? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Now that that's over, this house is dope. Oops, just fell off the waterfall. Don't know how that works. RIP physics. But yeah. We have our own server here, and this is definitely off limits whenever we have a war, because as you can see, the top is thatch, so I mean anything will break through that. About probably like 4 RG hits, you're already in. But this is really just a show house, like a chill house. We're probably going to make some videos in here further on. Oh, what? Where did my Quetzal go? Oh, Quetzal. God dang it. I just lost this Quetzal and now I can't find it again.